Hello guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited honestly because I'm doing Primark beauty makeup again. So it's something that they have brought in new in collection, so just a new makeup, and I just wanted to test it out and see if it's good because I was really impressed with the makeup that I tried last time and I could not believe it was from Primark and it was so cheap. So here I am doing it again. And yes, let's begin. So when I was at Primark, I picked up this hydrating mask. It's like a sheet mask. I thought that looks really funny and cute, so I bought it. It was £3. Oh my god, I'm gonna look like some sort of psycho killer. I don't know who finds this cute. I do find it funny. Oh, I love the feeling of this. You gotta admit it, guys, if you saw me in the middle of the night walking down the street looking like this, you would be scared. You would think this looks cute. Okay, it's been 15 minutes now and I'm ready to take it off. So I'm gonna start off with priming my face, and look what I found in Primark. It's literally like a dupe for the oil that everyone's been using on Instagram. So I was like, I want to try it because I never had that oil before. And I'm gonna do what all Instagram girls do. I'm just gonna smother my face in this oil. This little pump thing. Oh, it's dripping everywhere. But I'm gonna do what? Wow. Yeah, so this is dripping. It has no control whatsoever. So I'm just gonna smother my face with this. This trend is crazy. Everyone's still doing it on Instagram. This is definitely way too much. Oh, I don't like the smell of this. Wow, that's way too much. That's my own fault. You know, when you see guys doing on Instagram all this, like, oh. Yeah, that is definitely a waste of product. Okay, when I was at Primark, I picked up this foundation. And it's called My Perfect Color Matte Foundation. Oh, I didn't realise that. Medium full coverage, matte finish, oil free. This is in shade Cool Sand. It's a bottle. And it was £3. And as you can see, someone already opened it, but I couldn't find the shade in just like in a fresh packaging, so I just took it anyway. I think one person might have touched it. And I'm gonna go in with 2 pumps. It looks like the shade that I'm actually wearing it every day from Revlon. And I'm gonna take this beauty sponge, and it's actually from Primark, but I opened it a couple of days ago because I like them and I actually use them as well. Anything you want to see from my channel, just let me know. Just comment down below. That would really help. Any ideas, guys? Okay, so this foundation is quite liquidy. I'm gonna go in with another pump just because I want my extra coverage. I just feel like I need to go in with another layer maybe. I think the shade is quite a good match actually. Well, what I can say about this foundation so far, it is slowly drying, but it's like still a little bit shiny. It's not completely matte, one of them foundations that you put on your face and it's hard to blend out. And you do need to go in with a little bit more of product than normally to cover up everything. Like if you can see, there's still a little bit of rednesses that are coming through. So for concealer, I picked up this palette. It's actually like a contouring palette. There's even like a cream highlighter in this palette. It looks like a dupe for Anastasia Beverly Hills contouring palette. I think they're a little bit late with that because so many companies already done it, but it's cool that they still did it. I think the shades might be too dark on me, but I still wanted to try them and see what they're like, the consistency. I actually bought their makeup brush set, and this is like a makeup brush set, but they're like unicorn horns. I thought that was so cute, so I really wanted to try them. It was £9 for the set and comes with a little bag as well. If you're into unicorns, you're gonna absolutely love this. How cute is this though? So I'm actually gonna drip a couple of drops. I'm just gonna go in this shade here. So there's actually like a matching powder color as well for exactly the same concealer. It's darker than my foundation. Who am I kidding? So I'm gonna contour. I think in the end it's gonna work. We'll see. It's quite thick as you can see. Make sure you use some oil. I'm blending this all out and I haven't even done the darker contour color. And I'm gonna go in this darker shade here. And I'm gonna contour my cheekbones, under my nose, a little bit under my nose, forehead, probably my jawline as well. gonna spray my beauty blender because I feel like this product is a little bit thick and dry. It's hard to blend this one out. Not as easy as the products I used last time in my first video, and it's not giving me as much coverage as well, and the shade's obviously a little bit too dark. But I just really wanted to see how it works, not just for me, for other people as well. Yeah, I'm struggling to blend this out. I want to give you my real opinion on this. Like in some places it's already disappearing, like it's try to blend it and just literally there's nothing, there's my skin there. So yeah, it's disappearing from my skin. And I'm just gonna take this brush, brush. I know, I think it's for cheekbones and contouring, but I'm gonna use it to also set my face. And I'm gonna go in this banana powder shade. Well, it's called brightening powder. Now I'll just set my face. So next time I'm gonna go in this contouring powder here, and I'm just gonna contour my cheekbones, my forehead, my nose, under my lip, a little bit under my jawline as well. Oh, pigmented. It looks a little bit patchy, maybe because of the base. So it's definitely giving me cheekbones, which I don't have. This side is blending a little bit better, so that makes me think it's down to your base. But it's still a bit patchy. I'm just gonna do my forehead now. I really like the brush, it's very soft. So for my blush, I picked up this high pigment blusher, which was £1.50. And the shade of this is Adored. Oh wow, this is pigmented. Oh damn. So as you can see, it is very pigmented. I would suggest to go in with a little bit of colour. It looks patchy. And normally what I do after all these steps that I've done before I highlight my base, what I do is I spray it with like a setting spray. But I'm just going to use this primer water. Now I'm going to take this brush. I'm just going to use like for highlighting, similar to my highlighter brush. I'm gonna spray it twice. And look what I bought. This looks really cool. It's called Double Dimension Highlighter Powder, and in shade Gold Dust. It was only £2.50. Oh. Wow, this is amazing. Okay, ignore the rest, but look at this highlighter. It's definitely like extra, as you can see, but I love being extra with my highlighters. I don't mind. You know my face. Just look at the highlighter. Just focus on the highlighter. I feel like I'm definitely going to use this. So this time when I actually went into Primark, I found a pencil that was matching my eyebrows. Not like last time. There's only one shade for blonde hair. But guess what? I also found this, which is supposed to be dupe for ABH Dip Brow Pomade. And I was like, oh yeah, I'm buying this. I'm trying it. I want to see if it's good. There are only 2 shades though, and I chose Tobacco. It comes with a little brush like this here. It doesn't look like there's much product here, but it was only £2. I'm not complaining. Like this product literally glides on your skin. Not like with the ABH pomade. It's hard to put it on. Sometimes it goes dry. We all know that. This is very intense. I'm trying to blend it out a little bit. I guess I'm just going to take this powder here to set my... I went right ahead in this one. Okay, this one here. I'm just going to set my eyebrows. Okay guys, so I bought this little palette which is called Gold Rush, and it's so beautiful, and it was £4. Set my lids. I'm going to take the same palette. I'm going to use this powder here, banana powder. Shimmery colours. They better be pigmented. Look, these colours are really cute. I'm gonna go in with this colour first for like a transition shade. It kind of looks like Kylie Jenner eyeshadows as well. You know, like the little palettes. They're just like the square shape and just how they're positioned. Now I'm gonna go in with a little bit smaller blending brush, which is my own. I'm gonna go in this pretty shade here. Very pigmented, as you can see guys. And I'm just gonna go in with this little bit darker brown colour, and I'm just gonna go in my outer corners. I'm gonna use this concealer again, just for the cut crease. So I just really want to put some like shimmer on here. So when we put on some concealer, it's just gonna stand out way more. Just with my finger and just blend it out. I'm gonna take this shade first. Okay, I'm gonna use my little brush. This always saves the day. I'm literally gonna drain it. Ooh, that's what I'm talking about. I'm using the same little brush and spraying it again. I'm gonna take this beautiful shade right here. Guys, I'm really impressed with these eyeshadows, just like the last time. So impressed. So now I'm going to take this shade right here and I'm just going to put it under my eyebrow. I just wish this had like a little mirror. It just feels like it needs to be there. All this glow, we're going to blind all the pictures. And then I'm just taking black eyeliner and I'm just going to line my waterline. It was only £1 as well. You're not gonna believe what I bought in Primark. I bought these. They are obviously £5, which is pricey for Primark eyelashes. Normally they're like £1, £2 or something like that. But look at the quality of these. You could definitely reuse them a couple of times. Very strange. Like normally Primark eyelashes always come with some glue. These ones didn't. But for £5, it doesn't come with glue. Okay, I always cut my lashes just because I feel like it doesn't suit me when they go all the way in. So I just cut off a little bit of that part there. Once I put them on, I don't feel like they look as nice on me. They look nice in the packaging, I just don't feel like they suit my eye shape. So I bought this mascara which says Lash Contour, 3D Curl, Lengthening, Make Volume. Oh, I like the brush. I do like this mascara, I really like the brush. And it is making your eyelashes way longer. Like look at my palm lashes. I didn't even mean to make them so long, but look at that. Last but not least, I've got my Lippy, and it's actually a glossy collection. It's in shade Peanut Butter, and I do like this shade. I always go for neutral tones for my lips. I'm feeling this colour, especially because my eyes are looking so dramatic. Okay, I'm gonna line my lips with this lip liner. Oh, I like the shade. I've got a feeling you're not just supposed to line your lips, but also put it all over your lips, so I'm gonna do that. Wow, I love this shade. But you could just leave my lips like this. But I'm gonna apply this as well, and it is darker than the lip liner. I don't know if this was a match because last time we had the same problem. Lip liner was lighter than the lipstick. So this is all Primark new makeup that I used today, and this is something that came out really, and I can tell you like which products I was happy with and which products I wasn't so impressed with. So I really like the highlighter. I think you could tell by my reaction, I absolutely fell in love with the colour. I think it would be so nice on darker girls, like it'd be so beautiful. And eyeshadows, love the eyeshadows. Can't really say anything bad about eyebrow product. It was really good. It smudges out easily, but if you set it, it's fine. It's very pigmented. It glides on like honey. And I really like the lip products as well. It was really nice. But the face products I wasn't so sure about. The foundation, some parts it wasn't covering as well as others. So it wasn't that bad. But the contouring palette, it was, I would not spend £6 again on that palette, just because the product was removing foundation off and it was just literally I was left with bare skin there. And the powders, like I can't say anything bad about the banana powder, but oh, the bronzer, I did not like it. It was patchy and it left me looking a little bit muddy. The blush, I think if I had a different base on, maybe it would work better, but in this case it didn't look patchy, but it looked very pink at first. So I thought I would like lashes more, so once I put them on I didn't like them as much. I don't think they suit me that well, but you might like them. I don't know. Absolutely love the eyeshadows, highlight and the lip product. Those are the three things I will be using, and mascara as well. I did like the mascara. The brush was so good. So these are my thoughts on Primark new makeup. Hopefully you enjoy, guys. Let me know what you think. Let me know about your experiences with Primark makeup. So this is the second video that proves, for me anyway, me personally, that Primark eyeshadows are really good. They blend out very nicely and smoothly. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed and let me know what you think. Happy New Year! Ciao!